All right, we are recording. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Appreciate everyone coming in. We're going to start here with the Prizm Mega. We're starting with the Mega Box. Let's get it. Let's go, boys. Empty box, empty box. 6-pack, 7 cards in each. 6-pack, 7 cards in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's get it. Good luck, all. Sir Roger coming in. Checking out what we got here. Love it. Appreciate it. Let's go. Alright, looks like we got a pink here in the first one. Trevion Williams. Josh Allen to the Jags. Kenny Pickett to the Steelers. AFC North. Alright, we got a silver. To the Cowboys, Dak Prescott. Jay. I don't know if you were in here, but I told you I was going to pull you a Dak. Not a rookie pink. Lions. Amon-Ra St. Brown on the pink Prizm. Going to the NFC North. Eagles rookie Jalen Carter going to the NFC East. Let's go. Jalen Carter on the rookie. And Packers rookie Sean Clifford. Going to the NFC North. Let's go. Les Box Breaks. Appreciate the follow. Second pack of the Prizm Mega. We got another pink in here. James Conner to the NFC West. Chargers Keenan Allen. Titans Malik Willis. AFC South. Jets, Quinnen Williams. Pink Falcons, rookie Bijan Robinson. Let's go. NFC South. Going to Peyton. Bijan on the pink rookie. Shee. Let's go. Tuli Tupelotu to the AFC West on the rookie Chargers. Emergent insert here. For the Cowboys, Micah Parsons, Jay, and Kid Reporter on the back. Little emergent Micah Parsons for you, Jay. Let's go. Keep ripping. Pack number 3 here. Tyler Boyd to the Bengals. Jair Alexander to the Packers. Bucks, Chris Godwin. We got a silver here. 49ers, NFC West. George Kittle. George Kittle on the silver. We got our mem here. We got the mem here. I'm going to go from the back. We'll slow roll the mem. We got Christian Gonzalez on the rookie for the AFC East. Another rookie, Jonathan Mingo, going to the NFC South. All right. It's backwards, so. Pink, Jalen Carter, rookie, premier jerseys going to the NFC East. Jay Shee. Let's go, Jay. There you go. That's sick. Just leave this guy up real quick. At a 180, 100. This should be good. It's not numbered. It's just a pink parallel, so just like short printed. Solid first hit here. Clean for sure. All right, on the next pack. Pack number 4 here. Roquan Smith, Kyron Williams, Xavier McKinney, Kenneth Walker. We got another pink here. It's like sliding Niners. Debo Samuel on the pink Prizm. Going to the NFC West. Logan. Nice. 10K likes. Let's go. Appreciate everyone coming in, supporting the channel. Rookie Zach Charbonnet going to the NFC West. Chiefs, Rashee Rice, rookie, going to the AFC West. And Kid Reporter on the back. All right, 2 packs left. Pack number 5 of the Mega. And we're ripping the big boy Obsidian box. Let's go. Micah Parsons on the front. DeForest Buckner for the Colts. Saints, Michael Thomas. We got a silver. Raiders on the AFC West. Daniel Carlson. Nice kicker silver. And a pink for the Raiders again. Going to the AFC West. Rookie Tyree Wilson. Let's go. These pinks are clean. Bills, AFC East, Dalton Kincaid, rookie. And we got a hype. Amon-Ra St. Brown going to the NFC North on the hype insert. Going to Logan. All right, last pack Magic. Let's get it. Stephon Diggs. Zach Thomas, a little throwback to the Dolphins, AFC East. Steelers, Jerome Bettis to the AFC North. Commanders, Sam Howell. Last pink here to the Dolphins, to the AFC East. Jalen Phillips. Our rookie Vikings, Ivan Pace Jr. going to the NFC North. Rookie Cowboy, Deuce Vaughn going to the NFC East. And Kid Reporter on the back. Hell yeah. Pretty solid. Pretty solid Mega. Alright guys. Now it's time for the Obsidian box. Oh me move these stacks out the way here. Oh. Everything's sliding. It's not good. We're good, we're good. All right, who's ready to get into this Obsidian? Who's ready for this boy? Let's go. I'm gonna need my, let's get a color blast here, guys. Let's get a color blast. Empty box. Let's go, let's go. Obsidian, baby. This is thick. On the front, I'm gonna put these down. And we're gonna cover the card underneath. Darnell Wright, rookie. Going to the Bears, NFC North, Logan. Let's go. Oh, these cards are awesome. All right. We got, I'm going to flip this guy. Sorry. All right. Rams. Stenson Bennett on the rookie. Numbered to 8. 2 of 8. Going to the NFC West on the red Obsidian. Let's go. 2 out of 8. That is sick. Rookie quarterback. Two of 8. It's an 8, right? Yeah. Kind of looked like a 6 for a second. Hell yeah. Let's go. Alright. We got another one here. Try not to ruin the surprise for you guys, but I'm just going to flip this one. Roshan Johnson on the rookie eruption. Going to the NFC North, Logan. Again, let's go. Numbered to 199 on the rookie eruption. Roshan Johnson. Trying to take care of these and sleeve them up as I'm going here. Alright. I held her backwards like this. On the trifecta to the AFC West. Isaiah Pacheco. This one's red. What is this number to? 1 on the print out of 8. Going to Peyton in the AFC West. on the red trifecta. Shee! Let's go. We got 2 out of 8s. We got a 1 out of 8 and a 2 out of 8 in this box. It's a sick patch too. Alright, next one. These are all, like, backwards. I don't know how to do this. Next one. Justin Herbert on the Atomic. To the AFC West again. 23 out of 49. JH on the Atomic. See some stitching on that patch. Oh, that's sick. The orange Atomic. So you guys can see all these. All right, 3 more cards, guys. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that. Next one, Jake Haener to the NFC South, going to Peyton on the rookie auto. Jake Haener. It's just the rookie signatures base. Jake Haener to the NFC South. All right, 2 more left. On the RPA, Bijan Robinson. Going to the NFC South, Peyton. This one is numbered to 25. Number 3 out of 25. On the RPA. On the green. Bijan Robinson. Let's go. That's one of the guys we're looking for here. All right, last card. It's a rookie for the Chargers on the Supernova. Quentin Johnson going to the AFC West. 13 out of 25. On the Supernova, Quentin Johnston. I feel like the AFC West kind of cleaned up here, and NFC South too. Solid break, guys. Appreciate you hopping in. It's a little thick for that. 100. Quentin Johnston, 13 out of 25. Solid break, guys. Appreciate y'all hopping in. Let's take a look at the hits. We got them all here. Got the Bijan to the NFC South. 3 on the print out of 25 on the RPA. Pacheco for the AFC West. 1 out of 8 on the trifecta. We had the Darnell Wright rookie. The Quentin Johnston. Roshan Johnston on the rookie eruptions. 108 out of 199. Jake Hayner on the auto. Justin Herbert on the atomic for the AFC West. 23 out of 49. Sick. Stenson Bennett. 2 out of 8 on the red parallel. And from the Mega, the premier jersey, Jalen Carter, pink Prizm. Appreciate y'all hopping in. Solid break, guys. Solid break. Hope y'all enjoyed that. It was pretty solid. And we got all the other pink Prizms and rookies from the Mega. I'm going to stop the live recording.